This is Alex again. Alex is not reckless. Alex is dependable. People trust Alex, which is ironic. One day, someone Alex trusts asks for a favor. Not money, that would feel serious. They ask Alex to co-sign, just to help them get approved. Just paperwork. Alex's credit is really good, apparently. They promise they'll pay. They say it confidently. They even say it first before Alex asks, which feels reassuring. Alex thinks about it for a second. This isn't spending money. This is supporting someone. This is being a good person. Besides, Alex isn't paying anything. Technically, Alex signs. Nothing bad happens. At first. The first few months go fine. Payments are on time, sometimes early. Alex feels smart for trusting the right person. Alex even forgets about it, which is convenient. Then one month, the payment is late. Not missing, just late. Alex notices because Alex gets an email. Probably a mistake. Probably a timing thing. Probably fine. Alex doesn't mention it. The next month, it's late again. This time, there's an explanation. A long one. Work stuff, bank issues, temporary problems, all familiar words. Alex nods. Alex understands. Alex says no worries, because what are you supposed to say? The third month, the payment doesn't happen. Alex finds out the same way everyone does, through a notification they weren't expecting. Alex checks the account, refreshes it again, still unpaid. Alex texts, no response. Alex waits, still nothing. Eventually, the explanation arrives. It's not great, but it's confident. They're going to catch up. They just need a little time. Alex tells themselves this makes sense. Everyone falls behind sometimes. That's life. Alex doesn't feel angry. Alex feels awkward, because technically Alex owes the money too. That's the part Alex forgot. The lender doesn't care who meant to pay. They care who signed. So Alex covers it, just this once, just to keep things clean. Alex doesn't even bring it up. The next month, the payment is late again. This time Alex doesn't wait. Alex pays it. It's easier, less stressful, less explaining. Alex tells themselves they'll get reimbursed. Eventually. That word does a lot of work. Months pass. Payments become inconsistent, then optional, then invisible. Alex starts checking their credit more often. Alex notices a small change. Nothing dramatic, just a dip. Alex tells themselves it's temporary. Alex has thought that before. Then fees appear. Not huge ones, just annoying ones. Alex learns how fast not your problem can become your problem. Alex considers confronting them, but that feels uncomfortable. And besides, Alex already paid it. What's the point now? The relationship gets quieter. Texts slow down. Calls feel weird. Alex notices they're the only one worried, which is an important detail. Eventually, Alex gets a letter. It's not aggressive. It's polite. It says the account is behind. It says action is required. It does not say who was supposed to pay. Alex pays again. At this point, it's just easier. Alex stops calling it helping. Alex starts calling it maintenance. The original loan keeps aging. Alex's credit keeps taking small hits. Nothing catastrophic, just enough to matter. Alex starts planning around it, delaying things, reconsidering things, explaining less. And then one day, Alex realizes something. They didn't borrow the money. They didn't buy the thing. They don't even use it, but they're paying for it consistently, quietly. Broke meter, from just helping to paying someone else's debt in full. Nothing about this felt dumb at the time. It felt generous, responsible, supportive. Alex didn't lose money all at once. Alex lost it one payment at a time. Stay cool, stay rich, don't go broke.